How to set the duration of text in Canva. First things first, open up Canva and load your project where you want to adjust the text duration. Look at your project and find the text you want to work with. It could be a title, a caption, or any text you've added. Once you've found the text, right-click on it with your mouse. This will bring up a little menu of options. From the menu that pops up, look for an option called Show Timing and click on it. This is the magic button we need. After you click, take a peek below your main project. You'll see a new timeline there, specifically for your text element. On that timeline, you'll spot a little box or marker that represents your text. That's what we'll be working with. Now, click and hold down your mouse button on that timing box. Drag it left or right to adjust the timing. Think of it like moving the start and end points of your text. Move the box around until you're happy with when you want your text to appear and disappear. It's always a good idea to give your project a quick preview to make sure the timing looks right in action. While you're at it, feel free to explore other cool effects for your text. Canva has tons of options like animations, fonts, and colors to play with. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to set the duration of text in Canva. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can elevate the quality of your videos. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.